Yo. What's that noise? It's all good now? Okay, we're both busy. Ah,
Yeah.
take the tank off. Take the tank off. So you might have to unplug the plug, eh? Nah. Yep. Lift the back up. Lift the back up. Yep. And move back. Move back. Yo. Perfect.
Wait, is the picture coming up?
Hey. It's only a little bit. Yo, bring the out. Yo. Wait, check it out. The long one. The long one at the back there. There it goes. Blah, 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 blah. There's another bike that we're working on. Old school. They threw it away. They didn't want it. Basically, there was no wheels on it. And we managed to grab the wheels. But they were somewhere else. Blah, blah, blah. And yeah, we've been trying to repair this for a long time, few years now. I've had it for. Even changed the coil over here too. This is not the original. This is just from 50cc. But I tell you what, it does the job. Well, so far, it's sparking. And then it's got a mind of its own when it wants to spark. So I've checked the magneto. Just got to do a wiring. So if I had another wiring loom, I would have just swapped it right over. I'm sure it would have been good. So now we've got a problem. The tank never used to leak. Underneath has 4 bolts, I think 10s. And underneath it has a rubber seal. I think the rubber seals gave up, so I'll probably put silicone around it. Yeah. But then silicone ain't that good with petrol, is it? I don't know. We'll see. Normally you use it for oil. Yeah, bring it here. Come on. Get out long, please, son. So, do we have any more petrol in it or what? Let it down? I'll turn it upside down. There. Just a little, put your finger there and smell it. Is it petrol leaking from there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think around in here? Or in over here?
Oh,
Hmm? Fuck all. Fuck all petrol. Yeah, okay. Get the drill. Release all these. But CRC no more? What's the CRC? Here we go. Bring me the drill. Give it a good spray. This is the islands. You can't just go to Ripco now, can we? You can't run to Pick Park. You can't run to the KFC and McDonald's.
Oh,
tell you
is
what.
that the picture?
Where?
Yeah, it was shooter.
CRC.
Oh.
Go. Easy, you my rounder, dude. Keep them straight, dude. Is it turning? I don't know. Right. I need to get underneath there